Okay, I'm going to do 9.2.13 in this video, and I'm going to do part A and B. So part A says to determine the components of the vector u minus the vector v. So we know that vector addition is just adding the x components to get your new x component, and then adding the y components from each to get your new y component of that new vector. So we can define vector subtraction as just u plus the negative of v. So we know that negative v is just going to be -1 multiplied out across v. So we get -1, 2. And so then we can add those together. We're doing u1 plus negative v1, u2 plus negative v2. So we get 0 minus 1, 4 plus 2. So our new vector is -1, 6. And you can also see that geometrically. So here's the vector u, it's up 4, and then here's the vector v, over 1, down -2, and then negative v is just that switched, so it's -1, up 2, and then when you do the tail to head addition, seeing that, you get that you're going from 4, you're going up by 2 and over 1, and sure enough, you get the vector -1, 6. All right, so now part B says to find 2v minus 3u. So again, we're just going to multiply the 2 out across vector v, and we get 2, -4. And then we're going to do 3 multiplied out across our vector u. And so we get 0, and then 3 times 4 is 12. So now we're just going to add them together, or add the negative of u. So we're doing 2 minus 0 is 2, -4 minus 12 is -16. And again, you can see this geometrically. Here I drew 2 times vector v, and then here is -3u, so it's just down -12 in the y direction. And then when you do the tail to head, you're starting at 12, you're going down -4, and you're going over -2, and sure enough, you get that resultant vector of 2, -16. All right, I think that's it.